What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Makayla, and as you can see from the title, we're going to be doing like a little try on haul slash show and tell. I don't know what to call it, but basically over the past few weeks I have just been going out and picking up things here and there, and I thought that I should just create a video just to show you guys all the things that I have gotten. So yeah, before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification button so you'll be notified when I post my next video, and let's just get into it. Okay, so the first item we have is this like lavender, lilac, I don't know what you guys want to call it, crop top. It is, oh, there you go, you can see the color now. It's just like a one shoulder type of situation. It's kind of like a wife beater material, but not. It's like really stretchy. But yeah, it's like a one shoulder thing. I know I'm into the one shoulder. I actually took a picture of this and put it in my Instagram story. I'll probably insert it in here so you guys can see it. But yeah, this is the color of it. It's like a really light purple, and it just looks really good on my skin. So yeah, I got this. It's cropped, by the way, but it's like not like super short. It's kind of it comes down like, you know, to your belly button at least, or maybe it might cover your belly button. You'll see it in my try on as I put it on the screen. But yeah, it's super cute. I got it in a size small. I got this from Charlotte Russe. Yeah, Charlotte Russe, and it was only like, I want to say like $5. I should have gotten every color. They had white and like nude. I probably am gonna go back and get them, but like this color spoke to me because, you know, I have like a bag that matches it, so I went with this color. And yeah, okay, moving on. The next item that I have is gonna be these light blue sweats. Aren't they super cute? Okay, so yeah, they're really like comfortable. I love the color. These also came from Charlotte Russe. They're a size extra small because the sizing in there is different now. They have like switched over and been bought out by another company, and the small just looks huge. And I like my sweatpants to be baggy but not like super oversized. It's just not my type of style. Like, they're not tight on me at all whatsoever, but I just like for them to fit and not be, you know, looking like trash bags. So yeah, if that's your style, then that's your style. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. I have friends that like the oversized look. It's just not my type of thing. But yeah, they're super cute. They go down to the ankles. They're not short. Well, I'm 5'2", so you can use me as a comparison to know whether they're gonna fit or not. But I know that they do come in every size you could think of. 10 out of 10 for me. They had a whole bunch of different colors. I went with this color first, and I think I will be returning back to get the other ones. So yeah. All right guys, so this next set is like super cute. I wore it while I was in Atlanta when I went for my friend's birthday trip. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is the top, and it is like ruched here. You can like draw the string up and tie it, you know, to see how ruched you want it. So like the front, it will get shorter. This is a print, you know, that new style, the TikTok like print of the leggings. That is exactly what's going to be on the leggings, and the top, that's like the print of the entire outfit. So these are the leggings. They go all the way down to the ankle. It's gonna be scrunched in the butt, so you can look at extra thick. But yeah, it's actually pretty warm too. I wore it, like I said, while I was in Atlanta in February, the beginning of February, and it was super cold. But I mean, I didn't really feel that cold in it. Let me see what size I got this in. I want to say I got this in a size small. Yeah, it's small medium, so like it comes in like two different sizes. But yeah, because it's really stretchy, like I said before. But yeah, so I just love the color of it. I like neutrals on my skin tone. That's just my type of thing. So yeah, I wore this out. You could dress this up or you could dress it down. I dressed it up, so the next time I wear it, I'm probably going to dress it down. Up next, I just got a few little basic items. So going back to Charlotte Russe, I got this white tank. It's like a wife beater, but better material. It's like the ribbed material, like that. Yeah. And I got this in this white color, as well as this like sage green. You can see it, the color. Yeah, there we go. I got it in the sage green color as well. It fits just like a tank top. Like, it's a bodysuit and it's not at the bottom, but it's literally feels like a tank top. It's the most stretchy material ever. Same material as that lavender one shoulder tank crop top from the beginning. Yeah, and I got these both in a size small. They came in different colors. These were $5 as well, so you know I had to get some. And I think I want to go back and get the black one and the nude one. They're super comfortable. You could literally throw it on with anything, dress them up, dress them down. I wore mine with my blue sweatpants. I wore the white one with the sweatpants when I wore them the first time. But yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend. Following along with the bodysuit trend, I got this gray like tank bodysuit with the deep like shoulder cuts or armhole cuts. I don't know, is that what it's called? Like, it just goes down super deep. But yeah, and it's high neck. I don't know what it is about high neck stuff on me, but I just go crazy for it. But yeah, so I got it in gray. Like I said, it's a bodysuit, super stretchy material, and I got this in a size small as well, like I said, from Forever 21. And they had different colors as well, but I just went with the gray because I needed a gray tank and I want a different style than the ones that I already had. So yeah, definitely a staple piece. Okay, so this is by far probably the most worn thing from this haul, and ever since I got it, I've been wearing it. I have been wearing it ever since the day I got it. Like, the day I went and bought it, a couple hours later it was on my body. Not intentionally, I was trying it on and then I had to go somewhere and I was just like, I'm just gonna keep this on because it's so warm. But yeah, so I got this coat, like this faux fur coat, super long, from Forever 21. It just doesn't it look so warm? It's like I pulled a bear out, low-key. But yeah, it's super warm. It has one button here. I wouldn't wear it buttoned. That's just not my type of thing. Like, I would just wear this type of coat draped over me. But yeah, I got it in a size small, long sleeve, has like a little collar on it. Cute staple piece. I just love like the looks that you've been seeing like on Instagram and Pinterest of people with like sweatpants and like a tank top, some nice like sneakers, and then they throw the coat on to give it that look. Yeah, that's the look I've been going for, and baby, it hits every single time. Like, you could literally look like a bum up under this coat. When you put this coat on with some glasses, some shades, you look like you're serving something. So yeah, would definitely recommend getting this. Another cute item that I end up getting is this top that I have on. Super cute, long sleeve. I love the colors of this. I just feel like it makes my skin really pop. Like, the melanin is really glowing. Like, I just feel like I look really good. I love the colors. I'm just into like blues and greens, and then like I said, nudes, any shade of brown I'm in right now. So yeah, it's just like this long sleeve crop top. It actually ties in the front. You'll see it in the side view. So it ties, you could tie it multiple ways. This also came from that urban store. It's a size medium because they ran out of smalls, but the medium ended up fitting me pretty good. I mean, I don't have boobs, so it didn't really matter about how much fabric I had with the shirt because I was gonna tie it regardless. But yeah, I also managed to get this Forever 21 bodysuit. It's like a, or jumpsuit, really, that's what it is. It is spaghetti straps, and then in the back it has like a little cross to connect the straps in the back. It does not go all the way down. This is like a crop jumpsuit. Super cute though. It's that gray rib material, comfortable. This is definitely like something you would like throw on with a coat or a jacket, something over it, or something that you would just wear literally like when it's hot outside. I mean, let's just be honest. But yeah, it's kind of chill, but then also you can like make it like an outfit for you to wear it out with. But yeah, I got this in a size small. Yeah, and it came from Forever 21. So yeah. Okay, but the next thing I end up getting is gonna be this super cute hat. I got it from Forever 21 as well. It's gonna say Feminist AF on it, which I thought was super cute. It's kind of like that, like bleached, what is it called? Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I don't know why I want to say stonewash, but it's like that. I cannot remember the word for the life of me right now. It's really annoying me. Anyway, so yeah, I ended up getting this hat. You see the type of print that's on it. I just grabbed it as an everyday hat because sometimes I just don't want to do my hair, and as of right now I'm between styles, and maybe sometimes I just wake up and just be like, forget it. So yeah, got this hat to put on my head. Okay, this ain't really giving right now, but I just think it's gonna be cute. I think it's gonna be cute. Let's just throw one and go out, and then it literally says Feminist AF on it. I mean, couldn't go wrong. Okay, so now I'm about to get into the bags, and the very first bag that we're gonna talk about is this No Beauty right here. Isn't it so pretty? Like, she's stunning. Has a little strap like this, and it even has like a little double strap if I can get it to show out, because it was showing out in the store. That's why I ended up getting it. But it comes with like this strap right here with the actual nude leather on it, but then you could tuck this one in. You could wear it like this with both of the straps, obviously, or you can tuck this strap in and wear it with one, or tuck the gold chain in and wear it with this one to make it a little bit longer. Either way, it's like very versatile, super cute. It's giving classy. Like, this bag is just, I don't know, it was speaking to me. Next, we're gonna go into another bag. This is from Forever 21 as well. Y'all, I have an addiction to bags, and I need to stay out of Forever 21 because their bags are just so cute. Like, cute little staple bags, you know what I'm saying, to just wear with any outfit, you know what I'm saying, just throw it on, add a pop of color. That's exactly what this bag is gonna do. So yeah, this is a baby blue color bag. I think it's super cute. Y'all don't mind my nails. I'm waiting to get them done when I go on my trip. I love the like pattern on it. It has a little strap in the inside. As you can see, I have not worn it yet. It's not even touched. And so you could wear it as a satchel if you would like, but with me, I'm not wearing any of these bags as a satchel. I've kind of like grown out of like the satchel bag phase when it comes to certain styles of purses. Like, I would never wear this going down my arm. Like, I just don't really, that's just not my taste right now. I feel like I'm getting more mature, and that's just not what I would do. I would either just carry this bag like this, or somehow rig it to where it could just go on my shoulder, but like not be all the way down my body to my hip. It would be like here, you know what I'm saying, like in my torso or near my torso. But yeah, up next we got a Bottega. We got a Bottega, not a Bottega, a Bottega. So yeah, this bag is super cute. I love this bag, even though like these chains are like super cheap. Like, that's like Dollar Tree right there, Dollar Tree cheap. But I don't mind it because this bag is giving, y'all. Like, I just could not resist this bag. Like, literally, this is my type of bag right here. This is giving girl, woman, kind of sexy. And when I can afford a Bottega, then I might get a Bottega. But for now, I'm gonna wear this. But so yeah, so the inside has like a little bit of stuff in here, and then it has like a longer strap, like I said, that you could wear with it down your side. Not my style, so I won't be doing that. I'll be wearing it like this. Super cute. Like, oh my god, this bag just 10 out of 10. Like, go get this bag. And right now it's on sale because I went into a different Forever 21. It's on sale for $6. Like, you can't beat that. This is cute, and it also came in black as well. But yeah, no, this me right here. If y'all want, y'all ever want to show me you in the bag, period. The last bag that we have is gonna be this super cute bag that y'all been seeing everywhere. You'll probably been seeing the real version, but this ain't the real version, baby, because I ain't there yet. And like I was saying before, there's only certain bags that I will wear as a satchel bag, and it's gonna be this bag right here. I know you guys have seen it. The real version is the Prada bag. This bag actually came from Rainbow, and it was like $15. I think it's so cute to throw on with like leather. If you're wearing leather pants or like a leather jacket or something, you can throw this on. If you're wearing sweatpants and a tee, this is super cute to throw on. Like, this bag over crossbody is so cute, like, period. And the chain right here, the chain, it just be giving like rock star, badass, like, you know, it just be super cute. Like, I really be feeling it. And then I just had this little pouch right here, and I just put my like Carmex in it because it really can't fit nothing in here other than like maybe like change or something like that. But I'm personally not putting my change in here just because if it's like doing all that rattle jangling, I don't want to hear that. But it's super cute. I have been wearing this bag a lot because it's just cute and easy to throw on with anything. Like, I literally want to go out to the store, I'm gonna throw something on, and then boom, put this. If you looking bummy and you throw this bag on, it's gonna put you up there a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Like, with some cute sneakers, a graphic tee, you're serving. That's all that I really bought. I promise I'm gonna slow down, stop shopping. I do have a few more try on haul videos coming though, because I have been buying, like I said, a lot of stuff. But other than that, I hope that everything with you guys is going well. I know I haven't been up here in a while, but I'm going through things, y'all are going through things. The world is crazy right now. It's still not completely back to normal, but it is getting better. So all we can do is hope for, you know, positivity in the future, better future. Lately I've been saying I'm keeping positive energy around myself, putting out positive energy so positive energy can come back to me. So I just feel like we need to hope and pray for positivity, and that's what will come to us. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below the next video or type of video you would like to see, and hit the post notification bell if you didn't hit it in the beginning, and I will see you guys in my next video.